Back to our big story now. That would be the weather, the dangerous cold that we're going to be seeing here over these next few days, and also a potential system that you're looking at.
Well, yeah, we want to give people the extra heads up. The first alert next weekend, this coming weekend, will be even colder than it is right now. That's a certainty. The possibility is that it could come with snow this go around. Again, winter storm is possible this weekend, and I'm not just talking about the 95 big cities. If you have friends, family, loved ones, travel plans across the Mid-South, that is going to be another place where you will need to keep an eye on the forecast. Flights and roadway travel could be pretty problematic as we get into this weekend and early next week. We're watching really Friday in the Mid-South all the way through next Monday up into our neck of the woods. So early heads up or way out there in the forecast, but something to keep an eye on, especially if you work the weekends or if you have plans. Now, tomorrow morning, first alert because it's just so cold. Temperatures in the low to mid-teens, 14 in Baltimore, 1 degree above zero in McHenry, 19 Clinton, Stevensville, 20 Elkton, much of Cecil County between 15 and 17 degrees. So in that bus stop forecast, if you can, if you have a student, give them a ride to school or at least a ride to the bus stop. If not, make sure they're bundled up, cover up as much as possible. Just leave the eyeballs exposed. Everything else needs to be covered up and in layers because we're talking about wind chills at 11 o'clock in the morning, still in the single digits, near or below zero, especially outside the Beltway early tomorrow morning. Lunchtime again, feeling like it's in the mid-teens. 4 p.m. the walk to the bus stop to get home or from school to get home, it's going to be feeling still like it's in the teens. So make sure you are bundled up. It's not just the temperature itself, but the wind factored in here. 24 at 11 a.m., 27 at 1, 28 at 3. These are actual temperatures. We're talking full sunshine tomorrow. That's the best we can do. Just gives you an idea of how cold this air mass is, and it'll get you prepared for the weekend when the air mass is going to be even colder than this one, wintry weather or not. We're looking at widespread wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour tomorrow. Obviously, that's not too intense, but Baltimore gusting 21 at 1 p.m., Easton gusting the same in the same time frame, and it's a gust like that or winds like that that'll make it feel miserably cold through the afternoon. Just about everybody I-70 corridor in the 20s, 30 in Annapolis, 30 Easton, 33 Lexington Park, 31 in Clinton. I know we had quite a bit of melting today with all the sunshine and temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40, but whatever was left in the shade is probably going to stick around for yet another day. Neighborhood forecast for Baltimore County. Again, these are afternoon highs. 26 in Timonio, but only 23 Freeland, 24 West Liberty. Radle's down 27, Reister's down 26, eastern part of the county, Perry Hall and White Marsh in the upper 20s, 27 degrees. And we're staying in the teens all day long in the mountains. Look at all that sunshine, though, 20s and lower 30s elsewhere. And then that'll set the stage for Saturday, Sunday, brief spike or warm up in the temperature midweek. But as far as the weekend is concerned, brutal cold is nearly certain. There will be a winter storm. Again, no question about that. But local impacts are still uncertain. How far north does that storm track? How much snow, if any, do we see here locally? Those are questions we're going to be working to answer here over the next few days. But Saturday, Sunday, cold regardless. Feeling like it's below zero. If this system impacts us, most likely to be snowiest Saturday evening through at least the first half of Sunday. Alex.
Cutter, thank you. Coming